Remember, this virus is really intelligent. It really mutates. It can create havoc. It causes death. And it also impacts greatly on the economy, everything that we have tried to build in the society. In the hospital, I have seen so many cases of patients getting ill. Some of them really improved, but some of them have also very sad stories. And this will involve families getting sick, not just one person in the household, but 3 or 4, even 5 or until 10 individuals also get sick. And knowing that the Philippines is not a country teeming with funds, and that the expenses that we use whenever we get hospitalized is coming from our own pockets, this can really produce a very big dent in the economy or in the finances of those families whose lives have been really affected by the COVID-19. Viruses and even bacteria are always changing their characteristics. So they mutate, they try to do this because they want to evade the effects of the immune system. So definitely they are a lot intelligent than human beings, and even if we are already gone, probably our succeeding generations will be able to experience this different kinds of pandemic. Similar with what we have with flu or some other viruses like the HIV. So it's here to stay. We should not be complacent even if there will be the rollout of these vaccines. We have always been proved wrong whenever we say that the vaccine can really protect us 100%. Because vaccines really will not protect us 100%. It will reduce the risk, but it will not totally eliminate the infection. If we are really indeed going to open our economy, then probably we need to be more vigilant, we need to be more cautious, and we need to follow these protocols. Probably as a person, I really cannot consider the Filipinos truly as a pasaway, but some of our countrymen really do not have any other choice. We Filipinos try to do our best. And at times, we really just need to give them respect and understand their situation rather than judge them harshly. If you're going to ask me about the success stories about how the Philippines has responded to the pandemic, this is how our people, especially the ones in the marginalized sector of the society, have tried to overcome the challenges that has been brought about by the lack of jobs, and also for the healthcare workers who, despite the lack of resources in the hospital or in the front lines, try their best to control the effects of this pandemic and help other people. The success stories that I can also consider are the ones where we look into the helping hands that our countrymen extend to each other, so that at least we are able to lift each other up despite the depressing times. They have always said that patience is a virtue, and this is the time when we really need to practice that. Even if we are nearing fatigue, if we are nearing the end of our wits simply because we are quite tired, we are really burned out, always think of the loved ones whom we need to protect. Because if we're really going to give up and think that, heaven may care, we really cannot have that attitude. We really need to do our share in protecting everyone and helping arrest the spread of the virus. We don't forget that this small snippet of protein can really change our lives. So let's not put our guards down.